Have you ever donated your blood before? When last did you donate your blood? Sometimes a person might need blood urgently because the blood level of that person is very low. But at the blood bank, they will tell them that there is shortage of blood. And it's not their fault. People are not willing to donate their blood in order to save other people's life. The World Health Organization, as it marks World Blood Donors Day, they have released an update concerning blood donation, and I will be glad to share it with you in today's video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Let me share this update from the World Health Organization with you. World Blood Donor Day. One drop of humanity. Give blood. Save lives. Every day, blood donations help save lives during emergencies, childbirth, surgeries, cancer treatment, and many other medical conditions. Yet, blood cannot be manufactured. It can only come from generous donors, and that is very true. There is no way we can manufacture blood. It is you and I who can generously donate our blood in order to help save another person's life. Did you know a single blood donation can help more than one patient? Hospitals rely on a steady supply of safe blood every day. Donating blood is one of the simplest ways to make a life-saving difference. Thinking about becoming a donor? Are you thinking of becoming a blood donor? Then this is what you need to do. Stay hydrated before donating. Eat a healthy meal beforehand. Bring identification if required. Follow advice from your local blood service. This World Blood Donor Day, let's celebrate the millions of voluntary donors whose kindness keep health system running and gives hope to patients and families around the world. Every donation matters, every donor matters, every drop counts. You and I are very important when it comes to donating blood in order to save the lives of people, because sometimes someone can have a road accident and will be bleeding massively. That person needs to be transfused with blood. A pregnant woman might be in labor, delivering, and she will be bleeding. She will need blood. Someone too might be having a surgery and he too will be bleeding. He too will need, and because the person is bleeding, he might also need blood. So it is you and I who will help donate our blood in order to help such a person at that point of emergency. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you actually want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop your comment in the comment section and I will make sure that I make a video on such a topic for you.